During Design Vancouver Festival, I visited HCMA, which is an architectural firm in Vancouver. From the moment that I stepped inside the office, I felt a sense of warmth and inclusivity. HCMA office isn't your typical polished space, it's full of character. From handcrafted models, creative artwork, and innovative 3D printing rooms, it feels authentic, like a space where ideas come alive. They go beyond aesthetics. I really like their interactive feature of asking who is designed for. You can type in your answer and you can see who else answered the same question. What are the different answers that people had? What really stood out was their little theater in the office. It's showcasing how people experience their buildings that after they've been built. Seeing real feedback made me realize how much HCMA values human-centered design. They not only build beautiful spaces, they also design for impact, well-being, and a sustainable future. Visiting their office was truly inspiring. Thank you for joining me at the studio tour at HCMA. See you in the next video.